Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about Zelle. Specifically, we're going to be answering the question, does Zelle give your real name? This is a question that I get asked a lot, and I'm happy to finally be able to answer it for you. Zelle is a peer-to-peer payment service. Zelle is a free service that allows you to send and receive money from friends and family. It's a great way to pay for things like dinner, rent, or a gift. Zelle uses your phone number or email address to identify you. When you sign up for Zelle, you'll need to provide your phone number or email address. This is how Zelle identifies you and allows you to send and receive money. Zelle does not share your real name with other users. Zelle does not share your real name with other users. The only information that Zelle shares with other users is your phone number or email address. However, Zelle may share your real name with law enforcement. Zelle is required to comply with law enforcement requests for information. This means that if law enforcement has a warrant for your information, Zelle may share your real name with them. So, does Zelle give your real name? The answer is, it depends. If you're just using Zelle to send and receive money from friends and family, then your real name will not be shared with anyone. However, if you're using Zelle for illegal purposes, then your real name may be shared with law enforcement. Here are some tips for keeping your real name safe when using Zelle. Don't use Zelle to send or receive money from people you don't know. Don't use Zelle to send or receive money for illegal purposes. Be careful about the information you share with other users. Zelle is a great way to send and receive money. However, it's important to be aware of the risks associated with using it. By following the tips in this video, you can help to keep your real name safe when using Zelle. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. And that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great content. I'll see you next time.